question tag means what? We add one question at the end, right? ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ example, if you take, this is a book, this is a book, isn't it? Right? Isn't it? You will ask at the end. This is the question tag. This is a book, isn't it? So that is what is the question tag. Okay, you will add extra question at the end to make it confirm. So to confirm it, you will add one question at the end, right? So to confirm your sentence, yes, that is question tag. Okay, so we will see. So it is a phrase added at the end. We have to add at the end to turn it into yes or no question. So answer will be, this is a book, isn't it? You will tell yes, it is a book. Otherwise, if it is not book, you will not tell no, it is not a book, right? Like that you will answer yes. So it will be yes or no question. Okay, so it should end with question mark. We have to give the question mark at the end here, like this question mark. Okay, this question mark, you have to give question mark at the end. So let us take an example. There is a boy. So what question tag it will be? Isn't he? There is a boy, isn't. Okay, what it will be? Isn't there. Okay, or we use aren't there also. Aren't there? There is a boy, aren't there? Like that. So the door is open. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, the door is open, isn't it? So what we are doing here, tell me? Yes, we are using the helping verb, HV, helping verb, and the pronoun. Yes, we have to use helping verb and suitable pronoun. The door is there, we don't use door. Door is a thing. So thing means, which pronoun should you use for the door? It pronoun. So we should use it pronoun. So is there, right? Is will become isn't. So if the sentence is positive, if in the sentence okay, if the sentence is positive, what we have to use? We have to use negative question tag. Okay, so the door is open is positive. There is no, not is not there. So there is positive means question tag will be negative, isn't. Understand? Question tag will be negative, isn't.
Yes, sir.
If the sentence is negative, right, the question tag will be positive, reverse. Okay, so I am not going to school. I am not going to school. So this is negative question tag, that is negative sentence. Not is there. This is negative sentence. So what will be the question tag now? The question tag will be am I. This helping verb and pronoun. Okay, we have to use pronoun. If the noun is given, we have to use pronoun only. So am I, question tag will be am I. So this is positive, reverse it will be. Okay, got it? Yes. So there are two types, positive and negative question tag. Got it? Let us see that detail. Here, positive question tag when statement is negative. Okay, so if you see we are not late, so negative it is not means sentence is negative. So what we have to make, we have to make positive question tag. Are not is there, are we, what will be the question tag? Are we are not late, are we, you will ask like that. Okay, yes. I don't like sweets, do we, do I, do I, so don't is there, right? Do is the helping verb here and I is the pronoun. Do I, like that. Understand? Yes. So here it should be are we, do, capital. Okay, do I. Understand how to do? Yes, very easy. Negative question tag, when negative question tag will come, sentence is positive and question tag are negative, right? So the apples are ripe, apples are ripe, so what will be the question tag? Are is there and apple is a thing, so we have to use it. So this is which sentence? It is positive, you have to use negative question tag. Okay na? Yes. So negative is are will become aren't, right? Aren't it? The apples, aren't it? The apples are ripe, aren't it? Aren't they? Yes. Yes. Aren't they will come. Why they will come?
Sir, because apples are plural.
Yes. So apples are plural. They, aren't they? The apples are ripe, aren't they? Right? Negative question tag. Okay? Understand? Yes. So Sachin is a pilot. So Sachin is he, right? Sachin is he. This is a positive sentence. Okay? So this is a positive sentence. Okay? So and it is he, right? He, Sachin is he. Is there, so we are using is. So what will be the answer? Isn't he, right? That is how. So will you be able to do like this? Very easy, isn't it? I am asking, isn't it? It is very easy, isn't it? Yes. Like that. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is how you have to do it. Okay, so we have to use shortened form. This here we cannot use is not he, we have to use short form only. What? Short form only. Okay na? Got it? Yeah, okay. So should we go to the questions now? Very easy, isn't it? Yes. So what you have to remember, if the question is positive, question tag should be negative and we have to use helping verb and shortened form, right? So let us see first question here. So Virat Kohli is an excellent player. Virat Kohli is which?
Isn't he?
He. We should use he and is there. So negate positive. So answer will be isn't he. Isn't he, right? Isn't he means option will be option C, right? Yes. Isn't he will be the answer. Okay na? Okay, good. So I think everyone understood it, right? Yes.
Sir, is am I?
Okay, good. So now let us go to the next. I am not going to the market. Not is there. So what we have to use? Am only. Am I? Am I going to market? Am I means which option? Option A. Okay, good. Next, Deepak is sad today. What will be the answer?
Isn't he?
Deepak is he. Deepak is he. So is there. So isn't we have to use isn't he. right? Yes, isn't he which option? D.
Option D.
Yes. So next question, tell me directly answer. She hasn't eaten anything since morning. She hasn't. So what will be the answer? Has. Has. Has she. So which option? Option B. Right? So will everyone be able to do like this? Easy?
Sir, do some right.
Yes, very good. Okay, good. Next answer, tell me what is the next answer? My brother hardly eats anything. Hmm?
Sir, even spoon also.
My brother is.
Does he?
My brother is he. Eats. Eats is eat plus does. Here it is simple present tense, right? Does. Right? So what will be the answer?
Does he?
Does he. So does he means option, right? Hardly eats anything. So it is doesn't or does. What it will be? Yes.
Does he?
So here the sentence looks like negative. So my brother hardly eats anything. It is like negative sentence. It is like negative sentence. So that is why we have to use does he only, not doesn't. Okay. So does he will be the answer. It is looks like negative sentence. Understand? So does he answer will be option which? Yes. C. Okay. Good. Next, I am tired. So what is the?
Am I?
I am tired. Am will become am plus not. Amend. Right?
Aren't I?
Yes. Amend I. So which option? I am tired.
Aren't I?
Aren't I? Or
Aren't I?
option C. Okay. Amend I. Okay na? Good.
Aren't I, sir?
Sorry. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here it is aren't I. Okay, not amn't. It is aren't I. So I am tired. Aren't I? Okay. So
Sir,
answer will
it
be
will come option B. No, sir. I am tired.
I am tired. It will be aren't I. Okay. So option A will be the answer here. Aren't I? Okay, not I am. So that will be wrong because so you are being tired. So you are feeling it prolonged. Okay, you speak in the what? Prolonged means for more time, right? Not for short time. It will be looking like what? Yes, plural. So seventh, it hardly rains in this part of the world. Yes, rains means does. Yes is there, does. It is hardly is a negative sentence. It looks like negative sentence.
Does it?
Doesn't it? Does it?
Does it? Option
Does
C.
it? Yes. Does it? Option?
B.
Yes. Does it? Okay now? Good. Next, students are enjoying. So what will be the answer?
They are.
Aren't
They are.
they? Students is they. Aren't they? Are they? Not are they? Aren't they? Are is there. So this is positive sentence. We have to make negative. Not we have to apply here. If it is not here, we don't have to apply not here in the question. Right? Opposite. If not is in the sentence, we have to use normal. If not is not there in the sentence, then we have to make not in the question tag. Okay? Opposite. Aren't they? Option is option B. Okay. Next, David enjoys watching motivational videos. Enjoys means does. David is a boy or he. So doesn't doesn't he. So which option?
Option D.
Yes, doesn't he. Okay na? Next, 10th, Miss India barely ate anything. Miss India barely ate anything. It is looks like negative sentence, right?
Yes, sir.
So ate is which form? Yes,
Sir,
past.
did she?
Yes, ate is past. Eat, ate. Okay. Miss India barely
Sir,
ate.
did she?
Yes. So Miss India is she. So past means did we should use. Did she.
Did she?
Okay. Did she. Miss India barely ate anything. Did she? Yes. Got it? How to understand this? So
Yes,
we have
sir.
to understand the helping verb. Okay, past it is. So past will be did form, right? Okay. Next, 11th question. Mahatma Gandhi studied in England. Studied which form? Past form.
Option D.
So Mahatma Gandhi is male, he. Okay.
Didn't he?
So did will come.
Didn't he?
Didn't he? Yes, didn't he. So answer is which? D answer. Okay na? Didn't he. Understand? Okay. I think everyone will be able to do. Yes? Yes? So one, Pratik, what is the answer? Read the question and tell the answer. Pratik.
My niece is a very good artist, isn't she? My niece is a very good artist, isn't she?
Yes,
Isn't
is. Niece. Right? Niece is a which?
Woman.
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 Okay? Yes, she. So isn't she? It will be the answer option C. Okay? Good. Next, 2 is there, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Read and tell the answer.
Yes. Sir, the sun is shining brightly.
The sun is shining brightly. What will be the answer? Sun is a thing. It. Right? So what will be the answer?
Isn't it?
Isn't it? Okay. Good.
Yes.
Next, 3, Arohi.
India will not play the match tomorrow. Will they? Won't they?
Will come. Not is there, right? Will. So India will not play. So will they, right?
Will they?
Okay. Not will it. Will they? Why will they?
Because they are person.
They are persons. India, it is a team, right? Indian team. Okay. They are people. So will they? There are team. Team means team will have people. So there will be will they. Understand? So will they play? So India will not play match tomorrow. Will they? Okay. Good. Next, 4, Surabhi. 5, Samanvita. 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Samanvita is there. Read 15th.
15th one.
They
will not leave this place. Will they?
Will they? Directly, right? Good. So option D. Next, 6, Aradhna.
Yes, sir. There is no money in my wallet. Is there? Is it?
Is it or is there? Directly, there is a pronoun only, right? Is there, right? Yes? There is no money in my wallet. Is there? Directly out. Okay. No money is negative sentence. So that is why is their answer. Okay. Next 7. Rishi.
Yes, sir. Smoking kills, doesn't it?
Yes, kills is there, does will come. So smoking is thing, it. So doesn't it. So which option? C.
Option C.
Okay. Next. Who is there next? 8.
Sir, I think dowry is a social evil.
Is will become isn't. Isn't it? Okay. Yes, dowry is a thing, isn't it? Okay, good. Next 12. Mansa. Mansa is not there. Next 13. 13, 14. 15. Arna. Switch on. 19.
My dog seldom bites, doesn't it?
Yes. My dog seldom bites. So it is a positive sentence, right? Or
Sir, seldom negative sentences.
yes. Okay. So here, Arna, what will be the answer? My dog seldom bites. It is a seldom means very rarely. Yes, very rarely. It will be negative. So it will be my dog is it. Yes, bites is means does we have to use. So it will be what? Does it directly. Okay. Yes. Got it? Next 16. 17. 18.
Yes, sir.
Read.
20, no, sir. The prince was waiting for his. Sir, what is that?
Chariot.
Chariot.
Ratha. Chariot andre Ratha. Yes.
Was option C, sir. Wasn't he?
Wasn't he? Okay.
Sir, what is meaning of chariot?
Chariot means Ratha. Ratha. Okay. Rath. Prince will go in the Rath, right? In the olden days. Okay. So prince is he. So was means wasn't he. Okay. Good. Next 19. 20. Siddhant.
Sir,
Read.
he rarely visit the zoo. Does he?
Yes, rarely is negative. So it will be does.
Does he?
Yes, visits is there. So does will come. Rarely negative he. So does he will be answer.
Does he?
Option C. Okay, good. Next 21. 22.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Bhagat Singh was a martyr.
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 Martyr means
Wasn't he?
yes. Bhagat Singh was a martyr. So wasn't he? Option B. Okay. Next 23. Martyr means died for the country. Right? Bhagat Singh died for the country. Is he or not? Yes? Yes, he died for the country. So that is martyr. Okay? Understand? Okay. Samruddhi. Yes? Bega.
Yes, sir.
Next 23.
Yes, sir. The train was looted last night.
Two trains were looted last night. What will be the answer?
Wasn't.
Were. Were is a what? Yes, was will become were in the past. Was will become were in the past.
Sir, I think weren't they?
Weren't they? Trains are there. There are two. So they will be the answer. Weren't they? Okay. Yes. Option A. Good. Next 24. Yes. 24 is not there. 25.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Read. Ritanya. Read the sentence. Switch on the mic.
Okay, sir. The new vaccines as given us hope.
Vaccine. You have took the vaccine of right? Coronavirus. That vaccine it is. Okay. The new vaccine has given us hope. What will be the answer?
Hasn't it?
Yes. Hasn't it? So hasn't it option A. Okay. Good. Next 26. Sahasra is not there. Then Chirag.
Sir,
Read and do it.
sir, we believe in. Sir, we believe in God. Don't we?
Yes. Believe is do form. Right? Do. So do we should be there. So it is positive. It will be negative question tag. Don't we. Don't we. Option is D. Okay. Very good. Okay. Good. So like this, will everyone be able to do? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
T.
Okay, so do the homework till 39 questions. Okay, these are all easy, isn't it? These aren't they? These are all aren't these, right? Yes. Okay, good.